Welcome back to Deep High, where we dive deep into these videos and react to them as we get high. Can I get a amen? Welcome back. I'm 33. This is Deep High. Tonight we're gonna react to a suggestion that one of my subscribers suggested it. So he suggested 3. It was 1, boom, 2, boom, 3, boom. And I chose the second one, Misfire, because I want to know what he's talking about. So before anything else, you know what we gotta do. You know what we came here. Listen some bars, entertain the shit out of you. So let's do it.
We get a rough patch, baby, it's a hell of a ride. And truthfully, you know I miss it when you look in my eyes. Cause since we separated, I ain't been the funniest guy. But you the happiest to see you when it fucks with my mind. We stayed friends, had motives that we blow this shit up. And show our fans that we ain't bout all of that negative stuff. But then you turned around and stabbed me in the back in a rush. We had it working, but you had to go and smash it all up. And now I'm stuck with all these issues, stuck with all this pain. You knew my past relationships, but then this shit again. Now I gotta fight the fight about.
Before anything, bro, that beat is for you to go hard on it. Like he shows emotions. He's speaking about somebody. He's speaking about a person. This person, for what I'm hearing, has done a lot of hurt to that guy. So let's see.
In a little flame, cause you took my heart for granted and played me like I'm a game, so I don't wanna hit.
You took my heart for granted. You play me if I was like a game. Come on. Come on.
No sorries, I don't wanna hear you speak. I don't wanna hear you sing and hear you drop another beat. I don't want you to apologize and tell me that you love me. I don't never want you back, cause the issues now above me. You just fuck me with the realize of what I could do. Cause I could bring your fucking life into the light into you. But realize it's too late to pedal back for the truth. And all because you pissed me off and sent me back to the booth. Bitch, I know shit about your family that could cause it.
Woo. He said, bitch, you did all this shit. You made me mad enough that I went back to the booth, bro. Oh, I went to the booth. I just let my heart out, bro. Just rap my heart out, bro. That girl did some damage.
Divorce, bitch, I know shit about your family that could toss them in court. Bitch, I know shit about your family that your fans would support. And if you open up your mouth, I thought it's a like a sport. Yo, I wish it didn't have to happen like this. Wish that we could still be friends and be happy as shit. But you hurt me pretty deep. This is mad as I'll get. Man, I ain't never had adrenaline that's lasting like this. I still love you, and I hope you grab the respect of all my fans. But they know you trying to smash with my friend, so don't get your hopes up about.
That's a shady bitch. I'm sorry, bro. That's a shady bitch. A bitch that was with you, bro. And she said all this, oh, I love you and I want to just be with you and all that shit. And then at the end, she left your ass. She played your ass. And now she's trying to date your friend. Man, that's a shady bitch.
Oh, having success, cause you gonna lose a lot of followers by acting like this. Saying that you don't believe that you were ever in the wrong. And now you acting positive to try and get along. Posting on your Instagram that I'ma drop a song and try to stray your fans away from it because I dropped a bomb about what really happened. And I'll go sit.
Oh, so they were like, oh, they were together and they were doing this YouTube career together. That's what I'm getting. This, you know, and he was, you know, showing her, you know, the tricks and what to do and what not to do, or whatever, you know. But she played him basically. She just, you know, went with the, you know, with him and let him do everything for her, and now that she just a little bit famous, you know, she's like, fuck you, I can do better than you. And want no shady bitch like that in my life. No. The shady bitch was like, yo, baby, 33, you looking good. No, bitch. Keep walking, bitch.
The actions, because you knew that if they knew, then they would really vanish. Man, I'm a human too, and you knew that they understand it. So instead of coming forward, you decided panic, saying that you might have had a few too many drinks on the night, and that's the reason that you lied about that guy that you like. You told me I was being crazy because I'm sniffing around. You so manipulated, bitch, you fucking flipped it around. Until I thought that I'm the cause of everything that you did. You made me think that I was worthless, and I lost on my grip. You said I need to get a med so I can stop on my fits, but never understand that you're the one who caused all that shit. I'm fucking fine.
Damn, that's like a maniac. I'm gonna say in Spanish because I don't know how to say in English. Manipuladora. That's a manipuladora. A girl that, you know, likes to play with guys. You know what I'm saying? And my G got played. You know what I'm saying? He felt for that. But
now, I said I'm fine now, and all your fans are really about to fucking find out on who you really are inside if you keep running them lips. I tell them all about the part and how you ripping them hits, or how you fucking call me Poppy while I'm gripping them tits, or how I beat it up like Rocky when I slipped in that shit. You always said, don't stop please, I'm loving the dick, and niggas scared because we fuck without a condom and shit. Yo, that's just a taste of what I got in my vault, and don't think I won't drop it if you say it's my fault. I used to wish you all the best, now I wish that you fall. I'm done with every shady bitch. It's a war in the mall. I know it's hard to hear these words, and you don't understand it. The same when you love came around to cause you damage, but now she with my homie, and I truly couldn't stand it, so I had to stand up and give this bitch the disadvantage. Cause I don't wanna breathe no more. I don't wanna write a rhyme or even read no more. I've been struggling a lot, not off the weed no more. Vision blurry from the liquor, I can't see no more. When we first started talking, you told me that you was different. Convinced me you were good and nothing like all these bitches. I told you I could help you with your channeling career, but in the hype of burning me, you just burn all your bridges.
And let me stop it there, bro. My God, they're all the same. They all tell you, I'm not like that bitch, and turn out worse than that bitch. I'm not gonna go deep on this shit because I want to keep hearing this shit. So let's keep doing this, bro.
Bitches, I told you I could help you with your channeling career, but in the hype of burning me, you just burn all your bridges.
He's burning the shirt there. Probably was her shirt, I think. I don't know a lot of this guy. He's finished with that relationship, thank God. He is in pain. He dropped his heart in this song, and he basically said, if you fucking talk, then I will snitch your ass. That's what, that's, you know, his, you know, rebuttal. So I love the beat. The song was alright. I give my guy props, you know, because, you know, he put his heart in that song. He just let her know, don't be talking shit about me no more, bitch. Keep doing what you're doing and forget about me, because I'm gonna be doing what I gotta be doing. My heart doesn't have no room for you anymore. So don't stop talking, bitch. Stop talking and keep on walking. I'm high. Anyway, guys, you already know. You like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and shout out to my boy Official Savant for suggesting the song. Peace.